This is the controller right here.
This is beautiful.
So is this elevator on relay logic?
You're asking me questions I don't know anything about.
It could be.
Yeah, I think I bet it is relay logic because.
Yeah, could you do me a favor and push the button to bring the elevator back down to 1, and then once it gets there, push it to come back up to 2? Okay, thanks. Bye.
These are some of the relays.
Excuse me.
These are the relays
Let me
right
get a
here.
view of this. All right, you want to come on my side? They're gonna call the elevator. This thing is gonna move. This is just amazing.
I'll get past you here.
So hopefully I won't get shocked by the controller.
There you go.
Wow, listen to those relays.
You're gonna bring it back up to 2 again. You can go over there, you can get over there.
There you can see the relays in there.
Where are the relays?
Well, okay, this is the relay cabinet.
Oh, okay. Let's move to this side.
Whoa.
All right, doors down.
Wow.
Wow, look at all those relays.
Wow, this is just simply beautiful.
Andrew, Andrew, Jim, what do you think of this? I know you're gonna love this. And again, there's the Otis machine room. I mean, there's the motor. And again, I'll get a still view of this relay cabinet.
All right, I'm gonna get some pictures too. And I'm gonna probably stop here. I'm gonna get some view pics.
And we'll take the elevator back down and we'll end the tour. And then while we're up here, I'm gonna get a cab view.
All right, well,
Well, when the Otis wants to close, the Otis will
get a cab.
close.
This is about a year later retake on my iPhone.
It's a beautiful old Otis elevator. Up and when the Otis wants to close. This is beautiful.
I'm gonna get a quick
elevator.
still of these.
There's a rotary phone.
All right.
P&W elevator.
I can push it
I
now.
know you love
yeah.
rotary phones.
Pick it up.
How is it?
It works.
It does? It's just like from the 50s. Wow.
Again, like P&W elevator from Seattle, I know you'll love rotary phones. But we'll take the elevator back down to 1.
And this key, if you turn it off, the elevator will deactivate.
Yeah. We'll leave the door open.
Okay, let's listen to the relays. No classic leveling there.
Emergency.
That was cool.
Somebody gets stuck in here, that's where you go.
All right, so so this fine gentleman's gonna take the elevator back up to 2.
All right.
There it goes. He's messing with the alarm bell. Now let's take a look at this beautiful building. This is absolutely beautiful. Andrew, if you ever come to El Paso, I recommend this building.
All right. I guess that's it then.